Welcome back to the channel. We have this question. It says the midpoint of n4 minus 1 and nxy is 3 minus 4. That is, we have 2 points. My first point is m, and m is at 4 minus 1. And here is my first point. My second point is at n. N is at x, y. If here is my n, both have midpoint at P, and P is at 3 minus 4. Now, my examiner wants me to find the coordinates of n, that is to find the value of x and y. Now, from the equation for your midpoint, we know that the midpoint of any point should be given as P of x and y will be the same thing as x1 plus x2 all over 2 and y1 plus y2 all over 2, where x1 y1 will be my first point and x2 y2 will be my second point. So I can write this like my p, which is the same thing as 3 minus 4 will be the same thing as 4 plus x over 2 and minus 1 plus y over 2. So that my 3 now will be the same thing as 4 plus x over 2. So that 4 plus x will be equals to 3 times 2 after cross multiplying, that's 6. X obviously will be the same thing as 6 minus 4, which is equals to 2. And for y2, we can replace this minus 4, taking minus 4 from here, will be the same thing as minus 1 plus y over 2. So that's minus 4 times 2, here is minus 8, equals minus 1 plus y. Minus 8 plus 1 crosses to this side to become positive, equals y. Obviously, minus 7 equals y. So that invariably, my n, the y value for n is y, and the x value for n is 2. So that I can write my n now, which is xy, will be the same thing as n into 2 and minus 7. So these are the coordinates of n. So these are the coordinates of n. In case you have questions, please don't hesitate to use the comment section. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.